Hey guys, today let's learn how to use aged filter on TikTok application. So if you guys want to go ahead and use the aged filter on the TikTok application, in this video tutorial I'm going to teach you guys step by step just how to go ahead and do this. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, so what we need to do first is to actually go ahead and launch the TikTok application. Now, once you're already here, what we need to do and go over on once we're already here is to go ahead and tap on the plus icon on the middle. This is going to allow us to create our own, TikTok video, and what we need to do is to tap on this seconds option and choose the option where that best fits you. Then let's go ahead and choose the effects option right here. And then let's go ahead and search for the aged filter. So just search for aged, tap on the aged filter on the top. And all we need to do once we're already here is to go ahead and just show our face on here, tap on your screen, and that's basically going to allow you to start the aged filter, and it's going to now apply onto your face. Go ahead and record as well if you prefer to do that process as you're recording, and that's basically it for this video. That is how you guys could use the aged filter on TikTok. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something. Take care. This is How to Tech and Tutorials.